Are you struggling to navigate job search platforms? It's a common challenge, but one that's surmountable with a little guidance. In the digital age, job search platforms have become vital tools in the quest for employment. These platforms, like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and LinkedIn, have revolutionized the way we search for jobs, bringing opportunities right at our fingertips. But to truly harness their power, we need to understand how to navigate them effectively. That's where this video comes in. It aims to demystify the process, offering practical tips and tricks to optimize your experience on these platforms. We'll delve into setting up effective profiles, maximizing the use of search filters, and receiving targeted job alerts. This isn't just about finding a job, it's about finding the right job for you. By the end of this video, you will be well equipped with the knowledge to use job search platforms to your advantage. To start off, you need to set up a compelling profile on job search platforms. Think of it as your digital business card. It's the first thing potential employers will see, so it needs to communicate your skill set, experience, and professional aspirations effectively. Firstly, let's talk about the photo. It's important to have a professional, high-quality image that reflects who you are. This isn't the time for holiday snaps or cute pet photos. Think more along the lines of a headshot, where you're dressed appropriately for your industry and you're looking directly at the camera with a friendly, approachable expression. Next up is your job title. This should be clear and concise. Avoid jargon or industry-specific acronyms that may not be understood by everyone. Remember, your title isn't just your current or most recent job. It can also reflect the position you're aiming for. So, if you're an assistant manager looking to become a manager, don't be afraid to use the latter as your title. Now, let's move on to your summary. This is where you get to showcase your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. It's your chance to tell your professional story in a nutshell. Keep it succinct but comprehensive. Include keywords related to your industry and the job you're seeking. This will help recruiters find you when they're searching for potential candidates. Lastly, it's crucial to keep your profile updated. If you've started a new job, completed a course, or gained a new skill, add it to your profile. This shows that you're actively improving and progressing in your career. But remember, setting up a profile isn't a one-time task. It needs regular attention. Like a garden, it needs to be nurtured and tended to. Regular updates will keep your profile fresh and relevant, showing potential employers that you're serious about your career. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. It's not just a list of jobs and skills, it's a reflection of you as a professional. So, take the time to craft a profile that truly represents your abilities, aspirations, and personality. Now, let's talk about utilizing search filters to find the right job opportunities. Picture yourself in a store that's filled to the brim with products. Trying to find a specific item in that sea of products can be a daunting task, right? That's what job searching can feel like without using search filters on these job search platforms, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this. Think of search filters as your personal shopping assistant. They help you sift through the vast array of job postings and guide you to those that match your skills, experience, and preferences. Let's start with the most basic filter, location. By entering your preferred work location, whether it's a specific city, state, or even remote work, you narrow down your search to the area where you want to work. This filter is crucial as it helps you avoid sifting through job opportunities in locations you're not interested in. Next up is the job level filter. This filter is all about matching your experience and career stage with the right job opportunities. Whether you're looking for an entry-level position, a managerial role, or a senior leadership spot, the job level filter helps you find the most suitable jobs. Now let's not forget about the job function filter. This one's particularly useful if you're looking for a job in a specific department or field. Whether you're a marketing maven, a tech whiz, or a finance aficionado, the job function filter can lead you to the most relevant job posts. Remember, the power of these filters lies in their combination. By using them simultaneously, you're essentially refining your search to find the most relevant job postings. It's like telling your personal shopping assistant exactly what you want, down to the finest detail. And one more thing, don't be afraid to play around with these filters. Experiment with different combinations until you find what works best for you. After all, job searching is a journey, and it's important to explore all your options. By using search filters effectively, you can save time and focus on the job opportunities that truly match your skills and interests. Next, we will discuss how to set up job alerts. Picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee, browsing through your emails, and there it is. A list of brand new job opportunities tailored just for you. That's the magic of job alerts. They are your personal job scouts, bringing you the freshest opportunities straight to your inbox. Job alerts are a fantastic tool, especially if you're looking for specific roles or industries, or you're keen on working in a particular location. They save you the time of manually searching through job listings every day and ensure you're one of the first to know about new openings. So, how do you set up these job alerts? Let's walk through it. First, you'll need to be logged into your job search platform. Whether it's Indeed, ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, or another site, the process is generally the same. Next, conduct a job search. Maybe you're a graphic designer looking for work in New York. So you type graphic designer into the job title field and New York into the location field. Once you've got your search results, look for the Create Alert or Set Up Alert button. This is usually located near your search results, but can sometimes be found in the settings or account options. Click that button and voila! You've just set up a job alert. From this point on, the platform will send you an email whenever a new job that matches your search criteria is posted. Some platforms allow you to customize these alerts further, choosing whether you want to receive them daily or weekly, and selecting the time of day you'd like to receive them. Remember, you can create multiple job alerts for different roles or locations. For instance, if you're open to working as both a graphic designer and a web designer, set up separate alerts for each job title. The beauty of job alerts is their flexibility. As your job search evolves, so too can your alerts. You can edit them, pause them, or delete them at any time. Setting up job alerts ensures that you never miss out on potential job opportunities. Let's summarize what we have learned today. We've delved into the world of job search platforms, unpacking the tools and techniques that can help you stand out in the crowd. We started off by discussing the importance of setting up a compelling profile. Remember, this is your digital handshake with potential employers, so make it count. It should be a reflection of your skills, experiences, and aspirations. Next, we explored the power of utilizing search filters. By harnessing this feature, you can streamline your job search, focusing on the opportunities that align with your career goals and skill sets. Then we looked at the benefits of setting up job alerts, a feature that brings the job market to your inbox. It keeps you updated and ensures that you never miss out on a potential opportunity. With these tips, you are now ready to navigate job search platforms with ease. Happy job hunting!
Thank you for tuning into our channel. We hope that the content we provide assists you in finding your next great career opportunity. If you are searching for a new career or thinking about getting into the job market, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from crafting your resume for the job you want to negotiating the offer. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or co-workers who might benefit from these job seeker tips. For a regular regimen of proven job seeker tips and tools for success, make sure to subscribe to our channel, EmployMentors. Our team of expert recruiters are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired throughout your job search. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with wealth and prosperity.